Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given logic puzzle as you can see in this 4 by 4 table. So let's go ahead and get started and let's look at this table. We got these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to 12. And now let's look at the last row 30, 102, 210, and now we are supposed to find the value for this given question mark. Can you figure out the answer to this puzzle on your own? You may pause the video and take your time. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and look for a certain pattern. And once we have found the pattern, we are going to apply and justify. And here's our next step. Let's focus on these numbers only on this very first column on the left. These numbers 1, 5, and 9. And here I went ahead and multiplied these numbers. 1 times 5 times 9 gives us 45. And now I have added these numbers as well. 1 plus 9 plus 5 is going to give us 15. And now in the next step, 45 minus 15 gives us 30, and this is the 30 that we got over here. And now in this next step, we are going to repeat the very same process for these next three numbers in this next column. We are going to focus on these numbers 2, 6, and 10. Now let's go ahead and multiply these numbers. 2 times 6 times 10 is going to give us 120. And likewise, we are going to add these numbers as well. 2 plus 6 plus 10 is going to give us 18. Now in the next step, 120 minus 18 is going to give us 102, and that's the number we got at the bottom over here. And here's our next step. Let's focus on these three numbers 3, 7, and 11 in this next column. Let's go ahead and multiply these numbers 3 times 7 times 11. That is going to give us 231. And likewise, let's go ahead and add these numbers as well. 3 plus 7 plus 11 is going to give us 21. Now let's go ahead and subtract these numbers. 231 minus 21, that is going to give us 210, and that's what we got at the bottom over here. And now let's finally look at these three numbers in the column on the right hand side, 4, 8, and 12. Now we are going to repeat the same pattern. We are going to multiply these numbers first. 4 times 8 times 12 is going to give us 384. And likewise, we are going to add these numbers as well. 4 plus 8 plus 12 is going to give us 24. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing once again. We are going to subtract 384, and then we are going to put a minus sign and then 24, and that is going to give us 360. So that means the number at this place is supposed to be 360. So thus our answer to this puzzle turns out to be 360. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.